Hello friends, welcome to Top Club Shopping. Today we'll make very tasty chicken franks or hot dog franks. Friends, you can prepare this recipe within minutes and yet it is very tasty. To understand the complete procedure, please watch the video till the end. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Ingredients are chicken franks, red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, salt, butter, olive oil. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel Top Club Shopping and keep watching for more such interesting videos. Thank you.